1.5% on a year-on-year basis, better than street expectations of a contraction of 6%. This time, the companies reported a profit of 103 crore, whereas the CNBC TV18 poll was actually a loss of 97 crore. There is a beat on the top line, which you can see, so that's aiding it. We're awaiting the margin figure, but the other income has also nearly doubled from 223 to 417 crores, so that's also helping.
The beat on the top line has also percolated to the EBITDA, because the EBITDA has come in at 602 crores versus our poll of about 595 crores. So we've got the EBITDA 7 crores higher than our poll as well. And if you look at the bottom line as well, the company's posted a net profit of 103.3 crore versus our expectations of a net loss of 97 crores. That's as far as Hindalco is concerned. Remember, the aluminium prices have come lower, so it's the aluminium division is what we'll be watching, because the growth could also be on account of increased capacity in the aluminium division. So we have Nigel with us. Nigel, what do you make of these numbers first?
The top line, there is a growth. If I just take a look at it in the aluminium business of around 26% on the top line. But what's encouraging is that the aluminium EBIT has come in a positive of around 29 crores. If we just take a look at it and you compare that with last year, it looks like a sharp correction, but a lot of brokerages were there. They were expecting an EBIT loss there. So the top line as well has come in higher by close to around 26%. Keep in mind that aluminium prices are lower by close to around 20%, so you need to take that into account as well. The aluminium business top line has come in, I think, a tad bit better than what the sheet was estimating. And in terms of the copper business, we're estimating a stable business, a stable quarter coming in from them. So on the top line as well, if you just take a look at it, the revenues have come in lower over there, but the margin is going to be quite interesting, because that's coming at around 350 crores. That's the EBIT margin. So 7.4% is what the EBIT margin has come in for copper business. It compares with the sequential number of around 7.4% as well. The copper business was always expected to give you a stable set. As Rima said, looks like the profitability has come in higher only because of their other income. That's ballooned up close to around double on that. Margins in fact have come in at around 6.8%. So that's a bit of a miss if you take a look at it. But the top line beat is so large, because we were estimating a number of around 8,000 crores. It's come in closer towards 8,800, 8,900 crores. So there's a 10% beat on the top line. So the margins have come in lower, but the absolute margin has come in mildly better than what we were estimating. You take a look at it, power and fuel cost, that's ballooned up, and that was likely to be the problem at around 1,682 crores, comparing with the number of around 1,293 crores. We'll try to get in a couple of reactions as well. I think we've got a couple of analysts that are waiting by, but prima facie, it does appear like, the numbers any which ways, they're not a big trigger, though they're looking optically very good. A net profit versus an estimated net loss. Most of the street analysts were estimating a net loss this time around. The absolute EBITDA has come in better. The aluminium volumes looks like it's higher than what the street was estimating.
Okay, some more details. They've said that the revenues for the quarter